Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah emphasized the importance of public service during a meeting with district collectors, chief executive officers, and in-charge secretaries at Vidhana Soudha. He stressed that development and progress are hindered when officials behave like Maharajas instead of serving the public. DCs, Superintendents of Police, and CEOs are instructed to work proactively and in coordination to deliver government programs and projects effectively to the common people. Coordination is particularly emphasized for dengue control, with instructions for district level and taluk-level officials to work together promptly. Senior officials are warned of potential action if they fail in their duties. DCs and CEOs must keep comprehensive information about their districts to ensure rapid progress and development. Karnataka is a model state in good governance, and this honor should be maintained. There has been a decline in SSLC results in some districts. Although copying has been stopped, this should not be an excuse for poor results. DCs, CEOs, and departmental secretaries need to introspect and improve the situation. A large number of public applications indicate local officials are not resolving issues effectively. DCs and CEOs must address people's problems proactively. Officials including tehsildars and district commissioners must visit people directly and remain on duty. Mobile herdsmen should be provided with identity cards and necessary vaccinations for their livestock. Measures should be taken to issue soil health cards to farmers, and soil tests should be conducted every 2 years. There are numerous pending cases in tehsildar courts and with sub-divisional officers. DCs must address these backlogs and ensure cases do not remain unresolved for extended periods. Some districts have no pending cases, indicating that efficient management is possible and should be replicated elsewhere. Officials must be accessible to the public. If people cannot reach DCs, ACs, or tehsildars, it reflects poorly on their service commitment. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's directives are clear. Officials must remember their role as public servants, work in coordination, be accountable, and strive to improve governance and service delivery.